Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Guys, guess what? We're almost at the 5,000 subscriber count. We're just a few subscribers short. Guys, make sure you share this so you know what the grand prize giveaway is. It's that beautiful ZGALLERIE inspired wall art that everybody's been loving. So that is going to be the giveaway. So once we reach that 5,000, it'll probably be reaching it by the time you see this. And we are going to put names in the drawing in that glam box. So if you want your name in this glam box, please let me know. And from there, we will make the drawing at the end of August, okay? So one lucky subscriber in the US of A. Sorry, my international subscribers. You know, I'm not quite sure on the price of this, so I'm only going to do it for the US for this one, and maybe a next one I'll do worldwide. All right, guys, it's your Mooregirl. Put your name in that glam box and let me know on this video if you're interested in the drawing for this beautiful ZGALLERIE wall art. Okay, guys, it's your Mooregirl. See you later.
See it all bright. You were never right.